Hey, my loves, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, whenever you are watching this video or whenever you see this video, just know that I am greeting you because I promise to always greet you guys. Okay, if I forget, please don't be offended. Okay. Hope you guys are doing well because I am doing okay. I am doing great. I am doing fine. So we have another hair video. We have about 10 styles in this video. I hope you are going to love and enjoy it. So we have for long hair and for short hair. Please, if you are watching this video and you know any of these ladies, please do well to tag them in the comment section, okay? Because I can't remember all their names, okay? So please help me and tag them if you see anyone you know. And don't forget to like, comment, share, okay? And if you have not joined this family, please do well to do that, okay? And to my OGs, you guys are still the best. Thank you for always coming back, engaging with me, because I don't see the reason why you will subscribe to someone's channel and when the person make a post, you are not commenting, you are not liking, you are not watching the person's video. So why are you not subscribing? Why? If you are not engaging with my post, why are you here? Why? Tell me. Well, for those of you that are always here, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys for always engaging with my posts. You guys are the best, okay? Thank you guys so much. I so much appreciate you guys. So I'm going to let you guys watch to the end, and please do well to enjoy the rest of the video. See you guys in my next one. Bye.